ATMI IGI Center is a manufacturing company located in Yogyakarta, Indonesia, engaged in sustainable product development, precision mold making, and scientific injection molding. PT ATMI IGI has a vision to becoming an inspiring manufacturing company for PBET, or Production-Based Education and Training. The products are used for various industrial needs, from sustainable non-plastic packaging, automotive, medical, electronic, and precision farming. ATMI IGI is the right partner for sustainable product development in these various fields. The product development process at ATMI IGI covers from concept design, flow simulation, prototyping, mold design, mold manufacturing, and assembly. High-quality injection products comes from precision molds. This process starts with mold design using scientific approach, supported by flow simulation and rapid prototyping to get the best design. We process both 100% plant-based, regrettable material injection process. The entire process is done with high-value engineering process, complete and precision machinery, as well as competent and experienced human resource. This collaboration guarantees ATMI IGI partner satisfaction. The complete and precision machinery support, as well as competent and experienced human resource, result high-class precision molds. The mold injection process at ATMI IGI runs under a scientific molding approach so that our business partner can get the best value, thanks to quality, on-time delivery, and sustainable values. World-class partners trust their projects to ATMI IGI, thanks to good quality production process supported by good management system according to customer needs. The integration of sustainable product development, precision mold making, non-plastic injection as well as plastic injection molding activities are carried out at ATMI IGI, especially to support high vocational education to meet the need for skilled and character engineers in Indonesia. With strong support from industry partner and the vocational ecosystem, ATMI IGI is committed to always prioritizing innovation and sustainable solutions so that it can continue to inspire the industry to support Indonesia's Golden Generation 2045.